right then. Right then. Show you this.
Wow.
There.
I suppose it's safer up there because there's less chance of collisions.
Yeah.
Wow.
But
wow.
I swear to God, you wouldn't know it were there, would you? And now look.
Can't hear it, can
you? You know, you see now. There, look. So then, let's have a look. We're gonna turn it around that way, and off we go.
Holy hell! It's quite weirded feeling in a way, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Because after a bit, Andy, look, you end up looking at this, and very quickly, you lose it. Which you shouldn't do, but you. A bit higher. It's only at 50 metres. Go a lot higher than that.
So that's what's about 130 feet.
Well, there we are. Take up to about 100 metres.
Have you got all that information on the screen?
Yeah.
Down here, is it? Yeah. Height, 1 off, distance.
Yeah.
I've lost it now.
It's just there. It's very hard to pick up once you.
Oh, I've got it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So there we are. Look, and off you go. That button or where it says home there, they're both are the same thing. Just press and hold.
Go home.
Going home.
Yeah. Yeah. What's saying little? I mean, it's just
Where
gone.
is it?
It's
Oh, I
just
got
gone,
it.
Yeah. It's just gone.
That is incredible. Because what happens if there's a mechanical breakdown and...
Well, if it's a communication breakdown, it comes back all by itself in any event.
Yeah. No. Is it coming
into?
Is it just hovering above us now then?
No.
So it's going to come back to... Wow.
You have to do keep your eye on it a little bit, but...
Wow.
This is going to do it.
Brilliant.